Today our topic is about anti-allergic drugs. Now we can start that our immune system play a critical role in protecting our body against pathogens. But sometimes there is a exaggerated responses. Sometimes there is a bacteria is very powerful in against our immune system. So the exaggerated response is triggered by the interaction of a human system with an antigen and is referred to as a hypersensitivity. Hypersensitivity reaction are classified into four types. Type number one is reaction mediated by LEG antibiotic, that is allergy. Type 2 is cytotoxic reaction mediated by IgE or IgM antibodies. Example of type 2 HS include some form of anemia, blood transfusion reaction, certain platelet disorder, and some type of tissue transplant rejection. Type 3 is reaction mediated by immune complexes. Type 3 hypersensitivity is common in systemic lupus, SLE, and underlies most of the pathophysiology of the chronic anti-immune diseases. Type 4 is delayed reaction mediated by cellular response. Two common examples of delayed hypersensitivity that illustrate the various consequences of type 4 reaction are tuberculin type and contact hypersensitivity. Allergic develop. How allergic develop? Allergic develop when a person immune system overreact to substances that are usually harmless, that is harmful for our human body. Substances that provoke a human system into allergic response are known as allergens. That are allergens that provoke the human system into allergic response. There is no such thing as a universal allergen. What might trigger a life-threatening allergic response in one person might cause absolutely no harm in other. The first time a person is exposed to an allergen, they do not usually experience two reaction. Simple. It often takes time for immune system to build up sensitivity for the. Of course, it takes some time for make immune system that immune system fight against the bacteria and any allergens. In the time immune system learn recognize remember the allergen at it does so it start making antibodies to attack when it exposure occur. The building is called sensitization. Sensitization is a process in which our immune system understand the bacteria and antibodies against her. Okay, some allergen are seasonal. For example, hay fever symptom can peak between April and May when tree and grass pollen count in air is higher. A person may experience more severe reaction as pollen count rises. uh, Now you can see the diagram. Leukocyte. Leukocyte is converted into two parts, that is organulocytes or granulocytes. In organulocytes that convert into monocytes and lymphocyte. In monocyte, that is phagocytosis. Phagocytosis, that is macrophage, is responsible for the inhalation of adaptive immune responses. And monocyte, that is also called dendrite cells. Okay, they are also have dendrite cells. And lymphocytes have a large NK and and have small is thymic that T killer responses. And you can see the neutrophil 1 to 4%, and eosinophil is 40 to 6%. Eosinophil is histamine is allergic, cause allergic reaction. When allergic reaction occur, allergen behind to antibodies that body produce called immunoglobulin E, that is also known as IgE. Production of EG is activated by T helpers. Antibodies combat foreign and potentially harmful substance in the body. Once the allergen bind to IgE, special type of cell including mast cell will release chemical that trigger the symptom of the allergen reactions. Now you see. Uh, An allergic reaction occurs when person immune system become hypersensitive to certain substances such as food, pollen, pets, medications, bee venom, and others. When we escape, when our diet is not good, we eat fast food and we eat healthy food. That called combination and it cause different problems. Histamine. This is caused by the visible symptom localized allergic reaction include runny nose, watery eyes, construction of bronchi, and tissue swelling. Histamine also contribute to generalized allergic conditions such as anaphylaxis, a severe, immediate, and often fatal response to exposure to previously encounter antigen. Anaphylaxis is especially common in susceptible individuals falling in the most sting. Anaphylaxis is also called is anaphylactic shock in immunology, a severe immediate or potentially fatal systemic allergic reaction to contact with the foreign substance or antigen to which an individual has become sensitized. Class of anti-allergic drugs. There are total four classes of anti-allergic drugs, that is antihistamine. Antihistamine used to treat allergic symptoms fall into two broad categories, that is sedation first generation, non sedation that is second generation. The first category includes the older antihistamine. These allergic reactions relieve allergic symptoms but cause drowsiness and other side effects include dry mouth. Never antihistamine are said to be non-sedation, although some users may experience drowsiness from the disease. Decongestants. These relieve a stuffy nose by constricting blood vessel which limit the amount of secretion coming from inner lining of nose. That is not good. Corticosteroid or other one is leukotriene receptor antagonist, that is also called anti-leukotrienes. Leukotriene, one of the group of chemical produced by body that in body that accompanies inflammation. Leukotrienes are believed to play a major role in the causing the symptom of hay fever and asthma. Other one is immunotherapy. And there is a diagram in which we can see that different things called histamine, that is they have two H1 receptor, H3 receptor and H2 receptor. In H1 receptor we can see the brain, our blood, alveolar duct, vessel and heart, that caused by the that caused by the carbamazepine, hydroxylane or levostyrene. Other one is a corticosteroid. What is corticosteroid? That is इसके बाद budesonide, fluticason, furet, mometasone, and other is nasacort. As we can see that their brain, we have hypothalamus that releasing hormone negative feedback is a fundamental control mechanism, and pituitary gland, that is interior pituitary, that is produce LH, FSH, FRLT, SH, ACH and GH, and all the other are perform different functions. Corticoid is a major glucocorticoid in a human. It has two primary actions. It stimulates gluconeogenesis. It breaks down of protein and fat to provide a metabolite that can be converted to glucose into liver, and it activates anti-stress and anti-inflammatory pathway. It also have a weak mineral corticoid activity. Reaching adequate plasma concentration of corticoid and corticosterone inhibit the secretion of ACTH from the adenohypophysis. Allergen immunotherapy, also known as desanitization or hyposanitization. It is a medical treatment for environmental allergies, that is good, such insect bites, that is not good, sorry, such as bite, asthma. Immunotherapy involves exposing people to a large amount of allergen in an attempt to change immune system to response. Next we talk about doses. Prescription antihistamine include Optivar, Acetylene, Pelagic, Calarynix, Atrex, and Zyzil. And their interdose is 0 to number 1 have 0 to 0.5 to 5 milliliter, 0.1% to 5 millimeter, and 4 mg. Calarynx is 5 mg, and Atrex is 25 mg, or Zyzil have 5 mg tablet, oral droplet about 10 mm, oral solution is 75 ml. Parent dose is nothing, that is nil. Half life is 22 hours. Second have 10 to 20 hours. Third have 27 hours. Fourth have 20 hours. Fifth have 6 to 10 hours. Now there you can see the desulotidine, Atrex, and other levoacetrizers that we talk about on the upper slide. These are the medicine we can use it. Other medicines are OTC for OTC antihistamine include are Zetrix, chlorotrimeton, Supraston, Allergia, Alvatrix, Claritin, or Ketotifen. Internal doses, first one has a 10 mg tablet, half life is 8 to 8.3 hours. Second one is 44 mg tablet, parental dose of 20 mg or 1 mg for injection, and their half life 20 hours. Third one has a 14.4 hours or 18 to the fourth one is 18 to 14 or fifth one is 12 hours. And for corticosteroid have Rhinocort, Folans, Centimist, Nasonex, and Nasacort allergy 24 hours. For 100